Hey, yo, what's going on, Ride Nation? Today, we're going to replace this stock headlight. You see, I caught a rock on the highway a couple days ago, and it's all busted up. So we're going to replace this with an LED headlight. And I'm doing the work myself because I went to the dealership, and they wanted like $150 just to change the headlight. They tripping. I'm gonna do it myself for free 99. All right, so nothing but a couple bolts, like 3 screws, and click the wires back together. It's a pretty simple process. Something that I'm pretty sure I could do. I'm not a mechanic, but you know, I could save a few dollars doing a couple things myself. So here's what we got to replace it. It's the Pathfinder LED lighting. So let's get started. Ready? Okay. Tuck back up in there. Come on, stretch it. Okay, hold on. Let me see, look how that go. Yep. All right, that's it. Thank you, sir. You are now an official Harley Davidson headlight mechanic. They was gonna charge me $150 to do that. Got me fucked up. All right, now let's see if it works. It does. Oh yeah, dog. That's much brighter there. He did it. Two hours later. All right, there we go. We got it done. Got the new LED Pathfinder light. It looks really, really good. And I saved $150 installing it myself. Man. All right, till the next great adventure. Holla at your boy. Peace.